No, there's some good news over here, Karthik, news that just come in, and you'd like to hear this before I go across to Arunanda. HSBC has donated 30 lakhs for this cause of protecting our senior citizens. Isn't that absolutely wonderful? 30 lakh rupees, they've made that commitment, and others have made this commitment as well. Arun Nanda, who's a board member of HelpAge India, let me quickly get a quick reaction from you on just this one point. HSBC donating 30 lakhs. People are coming into this program. They're listening to what we are saying and they are contributing. This is the spirit which we need. Mr. Nanda, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Can you give us your reactions, your feeling, your sentiment to people contributing as HSBC has done with 30 lakhs for this program?
My first feeling is a feeling of gratitude. And one of the things that I'm hoping this COVID will do is make Indians better givers. I think we'll be better givers. We are understanding the needs of the other people. But I am grateful to the people who contributed this 30 odd lakhs so far.
Or Mr. Nanda, another key point, what this fund money will be used for. You know, in this entire project, and perhaps you can share your thoughts on this, there's a lot of common sense involved. Survival kits for senior citizens, protective hygiene kits, free medicines, support to rural elder self-help groups. How is this entire campaign that we are talking about here now essentially based on basic needs and common sense?
See, look, there is a physical need and there's an emotional need. All that you mentioned were more on the physical side. People need food, people need help, people need clothing. But as your topic correctly says, that there is a difference between people want social distancing, but they don't want a social disconnect. And what I am hoping is that your program will bring awareness amongst the younger people who will go and connect with their neighbors, their friends, their mothers, their aunts, their teachers. And from my little experience, because we run community centers for senior citizens, gone are the days when a 70-year-old used to think he's retired and he has nothing to do. They are looking for what I call second innings of their life. They want to fulfill the dreams which they could not fulfill when they were burdened with their obligations, whether it was to the family or whether it was to the children or the job or other thing. And now is the time to live what I call as second innings of their life. And for that, we have to provide them an opportunity to interact with like-minded people.
I just wanted to take on something that you mentioned about the generosity of Indians. Generally, we have found that Indians are extremely generous when they know the money that they're donating is going to be used for something they can rely on and not just part of some huge pool that gets frittered away. So when it's something like HelpAge, people do come forward because they've seen what you've done with their money, with the viewers' money, the home in Tamil Nadu and the earthquake, the HelpAge Center after the Uttarakhand earthquake. So I think there is deep down generosity, but they don't want to give it unless they're sure that it's going to be used properly. And that's one big plus that HelpAge has.
You know, you correctly put it. You know, we have to touch people, we have to touch their hearts, and they should have the confidence that what their hard-earned money will be used for the purpose for which they are giving. And that is the biggest achievement Matthew Cherian and his team have done in HelpAge, that people believe in us, people want to contribute to us because they know that it's an organization which is not only well-meaning, but efficient and delivers what it promises.